I visited today. Districts were Puri, Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapara, and now in Cuttack at Sailabur. It is very, very bad with crop damage. In Jagatsinghpur district, I visited the family of the young farmer who had committed suicide. As you know, there have been several suicides because of the crop damage by farmers. The government must take prompt action as our government, my government, used to do. I've been committing suicide, as you know. The government must give immediate relief to the distressed.
Will this be raised in the assembly?
Of course, of course.